Okay, so I use the all titles, 60 mountains. As you can see here, it says hit 8. So does that mean I have 8 texts? I'm not sure. I rendered it. I'll show you that in a minute. The design, so I don't know what's going on with the text. But let's have a look at the text, for example. You said go to the text files, right? Go to the text pre-comps. So I'll show you that. Right, 1 to 25. And then go to extrude. So I want to extrude text 1. And if you look here, there's nothing here underneath that which says edit, according to the video that you sent. Okay, number 1. So I edited it directly in here. So let's close that down. I went to text edit and I edit it directly as that. So we open up text 1. As you can see, I've got my text down here. For some reason it keeps displaying it like that, and I already changed this before. I've already downloaded this typeface, so if I try and play it, I'm not sure why it plays so slowly as well. It just, the feedback, I mean the preview is really slow, and my computer is a fairly new laptop, so I don't know why it does this. And I am a bit of a novice on After Effects, by the way. So I'm trying to preview. I can't preview it properly. What can I do? Anyway, so that text here, look, shows like that there. Shows like this here. I don't know what's going on. Let's try and preview it. It doesn't preview. It takes ages. Anyway, so that's the text issue that I'm facing. So what I want to do is I've gone into this text before, right? Let me show you. Under text, edited text, I have added. Where are we? Not under extrude, right? I did it. Here we are. So I have 20 different texts that I have edited. Okay. Oh God, I didn't save it, did I? Okay, see, look here. 16, 17, 18, and they weren't displaying properly as well. So I got up to 19. We have, and I wanted to add the logo. So my logo would come after one more text. So text 20 would be learn more at my website, and then what would happen is after text 20 my logo would appear, and from the message you sent me, I need to add the logo. I need to add it to text 50, so I'm a bit confused about that. Shouldn't I add it? Shouldn't I add the logo here to text 21? Number 1. Okay. The template, what did I use? What should I use for all of those 20 pieces of text? I don't want, all I want is my text flying through the mountains. That's the only thing I want. I don't want the video placeholders, you know, where the images come up in between. I don't want any of that. All I want, and I'll show you how I created it now when I pull up the video that I created. So, documents. This is the one I created. Okay. So you'll see what happens. See, this all starts off fine, right? And this is not the part that I wanted, right? Strange, it's only showing 1 second here on the bar, but you know, obviously more has gone by. And parts of my text are missing too. I don't understand why. Great. Excuse me. I've added more text than that, and it's cutting some text off at the end. Oh, there you go. See, I'm not sure what happened there. And I don't know why it's not moving here. And then you go, it starts again, you see? So look, if I scroll through it here, right? Just to show you there, that's where my text starts again from the beginning. And then it's going through this scene here. Oh, what happens? It goes up, and then it starts again, as you can see, on around 50 seconds. Then if we keep scrolling from here, it's showing more of the text now. Actually, it's nearly showing all of it, but it's still getting, oh, and then it cuts off again, and then it starts from the beginning again, right? So I'm not sure why it's doing this. It's not showing all of the information.